Reality of ChatGPT Plus. Paid subscription of ChatGPT. Should you buy it? ChatGPT Plus is a paid subscription service offered by ChatGPT, a large language model trained by OpenAI. The service provides users with access to additional features and benefits, such as personalized responses, faster response times, and expanded knowledge base. However, the question remains, is it worth the investment? First and foremost, it's important to understand what ChatGPT Plus offers. The service promises to provide personalized responses that are tailored to the user's specific needs and preferences. This means that users can expect more accurate and relevant answers to their questions, which can save time and improve overall satisfaction with the service. Another benefit of ChatGPT Plus is faster response times. With the paid subscription, users are given priority over non-subscribers, which means they can expect to receive responses to their inquiries more quickly. This can be particularly beneficial for users who need answers in a timely manner, such as those who are working on time-sensitive projects or assignments. In addition to personalized responses and faster response times, ChatGPT Plus also offers an expanded knowledge base. The service claims to have access to a wider range of information and resources, which allows users to get more in-depth answers to their questions. This can be particularly useful for users who are looking for detailed explanations or who have complex or technical questions. So, should you buy ChatGPT Plus? The answer depends on your specific needs and priorities. If you are someone who frequently uses chatbots or virtual assistants for research, education, or work-related purposes, then ChatGPT Plus might be a worthwhile investment. The personalized responses and faster response times can help you save time and get more accurate and relevant information. However, if you only use chatbots or virtual assistants occasionally or for simple tasks, then ChatGPT Plus may not be necessary. The free version of ChatGPT is still a powerful tool that can provide helpful responses to a wide range of questions. It's also worth considering the cost of ChatGPT Plus. The service is not cheap, and the cost may be prohibitive for some users. It's important to weigh the benefits of the service against the cost to determine whether it's a good value for you. In conclusion, ChatGPT Plus is a powerful tool that can provide personalized responses, faster response times, and an expanded knowledge base. Whether or not you should buy it depends on your specific needs and priorities, as well as the cost of the service. If you are someone who frequently uses chatbots or virtual assistants for research, education, or work-related purposes, then ChatGPT Plus may be worth the investment. However, if you only use chatbots or virtual assistants occasionally or for simple tasks, then the free version of ChatGPT may be sufficient for your needs. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.